In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in an email using Gmail. If you've ever wanted to add a bit of emphasis to part of your message, underlining is a quick way to do it, and Gmail makes the process straightforward. I'll walk you through it on the Gmail website using a desktop browser so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're on your inbox, start a new message by selecting Compose. This opens a message window, usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look toward the bottom of that window for the formatting toolbar. If you don't see the formatting options, click the formatting button to expand them. This reveals controls for font, size, bold, italic, underline, color, and more. Now type your email as you normally would. To underline just part of your text, click and drag your mouse over the exact words you want to emphasize so they're highlighted. With the text selected, find the Underline button in the formatting toolbar. It looks like a capital U with a line underneath it. Click it once, and your selected text will instantly gain an underline. If you change your mind, click the same button again to remove the underline. You can also place your cursor where you plan to type next. Click Underline first, and then start typing. Everything you type from that point will be underlined until you toggle it off. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way. On Windows, press Ctrl+U to apply or remove underlining. On a Mac, use the typical underline shortcut, Command-U. Shortcuts work in two helpful ways. If you have text selected, they toggle underlining for that selection. If nothing is selected, they turn underlining on or off for whatever you type next. Either method gives you quick control without moving your hands away from the keyboard. A couple of quick tips to keep your message clean and easy to read. Hyperlinks in Gmail already appear underlined by default, so consider using bold instead if you're trying to emphasize linked text without extra visual clutter. And if something doesn't look right, undo is your friend. Use Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. That's all there is to it. Log in, compose your email, highlight the text you want, and underline it with the toolbar or a shortcut. Simple, fast, and professional.